Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x plus number 1 equals to number 2 tan t. So I will put this one goal here, and that is about 2 square tan t square, 2 square, 2 square. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1. We change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and the x. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about number 2 secant of t square dt. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So I will put this one goal here. The x we change for this one. So this one that is about 2 square tan t square. So 2 square, 2 square, we can do about factorization. So this one that is about secant of t square. The square root of this one that is about number 2 secant of t. Later that we simplify and we got secant of t. The integration of this one that is about Ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and then I will put about c. About t that is about this one, so we need to divide both sides by number 2, and now we can find the value of t that is about octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. This one we simplify and we have x plus number 1 over number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.